financial loss to the state. So we are not surprised that from day one, they had already conceived that we are going to free Madam Sedinam Tamaklu. And it is worrying how the Court of Appeal would say, and I have this here, I'll read it out to you. In one of the rationale behind the judgment, Court of Appeal is saying the charge sheet was defective. How can the charge sheet be defective? How? When they never raised this matter during trial, it never came up. Even so, Section 406.1 of Act 30 is quite clear. And I'll read it to you. Subject to the provisions therein after contained, no findings, sentence, or order passed by a court of competent jurisdiction shall be reversed or altered on appeal or review on account of any error, omission, irregularity in the complaint, summons, warrant, charge, proclamation, order, judgment, or other proceedings before or during the trial. And this is quite clear. So you cannot base, even though it is true, assuming without admitting, yes, that there were some errors on the charge sheet which was never raised during trial. The judges at the High Court, at the Court of Appeal, did a great disservice to Ghanaians. Great disservice. We are talking about 90 million Ghana cedis, and we can just hinge her freedom on the fact that there were some technical errors or errors, even assuming without admitting. So if there were some problems with the charge sheet, it means the person should run away with 90 million, when indeed Section 406 is saying that, look, even if you have some errors or irregularities on the charge sheet, that cannot free. You cannot reverse a court of competent jurisdiction, the decision, based on errors or defects. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a wholesale amnesty for the politically connected, dressed up in prosecutorial discretion. But discretion under our law is not a private weapon. Under Article 296, it commands that it must be exercised fairly, candidly, and without, or it must not be done capriciously. What fairness, what candor is there in a prosecutorial policy whose only consistent principle is that the party card of an accused, Madam Tamaklu Ationu, stood convicted, so the front door of a nolle prosequi was shut. Yesterday, the back door was open for her. The Attorney General did not protect the public purse. He presided over a ceremony of betrayal. And I'm surprised. The Attorney General put in a very weak and a relaxed defense before the Court of Appeal. I think that the judges at the Court of Appeal should have done better. They should not have relied on some of these things, especially when 90 million Ghana cedis is at stake. Because the Attorney General is part of the choreography. So they put in a very weak defense, very relaxed defense. In fact, it was even captured in the statement. Let me also read this one to you. It was captured in the written submission of the respondent in answer to the appellant's submission pursuant to leave granted by this honorable court. And I'll read just a small portion. We wish to bring to the attention of the honorable court that the record of appeal before the court is not complete. We state that all the exhibits tendered by the prosecution during trial does not form part of the record. The only document found as part of the record are some of the documents which formed part of the disclosure done by the prosecution. So it was even revealed that the Attorney General put in a very weak, very relaxed, very ill defense. So obviously, as we have predicted all this while, the entire choreography was to release and free Madam Sedinam Tamaklu. And to our judiciary, we say this with heavy hearts, but steady voices. Every judge of the Superior Court swears to do justice. And Article 17 of the Constitution guarantees every person's equality before the law. Yet, the pattern now staring the nation in the face is the two-track system of justice. One track, swift, forgiving, and generous for friends of the government. Another, harsh, hurried, and merciless for the opponent. Selective justice. And I keep saying this. There is a certain fear hovering on the judiciary. From 1992, we have never, no government, no president, we have never ousted our Chief Justice before. Never.
FM.
It is only under President Mahama who promised NDC members that he was going to sanitize the judiciary. And indeed, it was part of their plan to oust the former Chief Justice, Madam Tokono. So the message is clear that if the president has been able to put in a system to remove the Chief Justice, then who am I? So it looks like, it appears, and that is what I see, because I have been in court where a whole judge, a circuit court judge, is celebrating Idi Amin, such a notorious tyrant, such a notorious dictator. The judge is celebrating Idi Amin in his ruling. In fact, in his ruling, he stated that although all of us are equal before the law, as stipulated by the Constitution, in practice, some are actually above the law. That is what he said in his ruling. And do you know where this judge is now? He has been promoted. He's at the High Court now. He was the same judge who again introduced Animal Farm in his judgment. Such poor judgment, which received several criticisms. That ruling was widely condemned. Yet, he has been promoted to the High Court. So now the impression is that the impression is, do the bidding of the sitting government and you receive promotion. So there is a certain fear hovering over the judiciary. And that is why we say democracy under siege, democracy under attack. A judiciary that convicts the opposition on thin evidence in record time, whilst government allies walk free against overwhelming evidence, is not administering justice. It is administering politics in judicial costume. Public confidence in the court is the only currency the judiciary possesses. And yesterday, the currency was devalued before the eyes of more than 33 million Ghanaians and the international community. The message this government sent to the world yesterday is chilling. In Ghana today, accountability is for the opponent and impunity is for friends. Steal for the party in power and the law will find you innocent. Oppose the party in power and the law will find you guilty. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday's acquittal cannot be viewed in isolation. It is the latest chapter in a sustained assault on the pillars of our Fourth Republic. Overnight, the Mahama-led NDC government has succeeded in undermining almost every single index of good constitutional governance in Ghana. This is their record. The removal of former Chief Justice. Let it never be forgotten where this all began. The murky, opaque, the constitutionally suspect process by which Her Ladyship Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Esaba Saki Tokuno was suspended and ultimately removed from office. That removal, conducted behind closed doors and in defiance to every principle of due process, transparency, and natural justice, was not an isolated act. It was opening move, the very beginning of a deliberate agenda to decapite the judiciary, capture it, and destroy the last institutional safeguard of good governance in this country. Everything we have witnessed since flows from this originating sin. And I keep saying, eyes are watching the Chief Justice. My Lord Bafuboni, eyes are watching you, because you are the greatest beneficiary of this suspension and removal of Chief Justice Tokuno. Eyes are watching you. Again, your wife is also another great beneficiary of President Mohammed's administration. She was appointed to be Director General Prisons under President Mahama. So eyes are watching you. If things are not going well, if justice is being skewed, the legitimate questions people will be asking in their minds will be, is it because, my Lord, you have benefited greatly? Eyes are watching. Questions are being asked. And these are legitimate issues.
SOMPA.
You are now the Chief Justice appointed by President Mahama after the suspension and removal of Chief Justice Tokuno. A case that you cannot speak truth to power? Is it the case? These are questions people are asking. Is it the case that there is that fear hovering over the judiciary? Is it the case? Are your people administering justice in fear? These are troubling times for our democracy. Troubling times for our democracy. Interference with the judiciary, the independence of our courts, the last refuge of the citizen, has been systematically compromised, with judicial outcomes increasingly tracking the political interest of the governing party. a brazen display of selective justice. Persons affiliated to the NDC are freed, discharged and acquitted, while opponents of government are hounded, convicted, and jailed on the flimsiest of evidence. The concentration of all so-called Operation Recover or Loot cases before only 2 judges, Justice Achibonga and Justice Kokuvite, who between them handle every one of these politically charged prosecutions, and whose conduct on these trials has strongly undermined the effort of accused persons to defend themselves. Now, these 2 judges, they are supposed to handle all cases involving NPP element. All cases. And indeed, they have also been sanctioned. They have been given strict instructions not to go on vacation, because the courts are on legal vacation, but they have been told, hey, stay back and make sure you do all these cases. People are asking questions. Why only these 2 judges? Why? Why only these 2 judges? The baseless punishment of political opponents while NDC members walk free. A 2-tier system of justice in which the scales are weighed by party colors rather than evidence. We have witnessed over the years, a year and more or so, where operatives of MPP are picked up the moment they make the slightest of comment which is deemed to be offensive to President Mahama and the government. A lot of people have been arrested and they have been refused bail. So many, in fact, my last count reviewed 25. In fact, and even yesterday, I have this here. They have arrested one Godfred Ansu Damwa for a post he made on X, asking questions on the widely circulated video between President Mahama and the National Security Coordinator regarding some 150 million. Since his arrest yesterday, and as I speak to you now, we don't know where he is. Sorry, we don't know where he is. Just yesterday, he was picked up. Godfred Ansu Damwa. He was picked up simply because he asked questions. And all of you, you've seen this video which went viral. He's asking that, and he's been arrested. Can you imagine? This is dangerous for our democracy, and it shows how the Mahama-led and its law enforcement agencies are weaponizing the power given them by Ghanaian people to prevent citizens from exercising their fundamental human right of free speech. Just yesterday, the hurried reintroduction of onerous bail conditions by law enforcement bodies. Sponsored. They are politically sponsored. And that is where the fear is. Hurried is justice buried. Trials conducted at a breakneck speed through vacations with accused persons denied a fair opportunity to prepare and present their defense are not trials at all. They are choreographed conveyor belt to a predetermined conviction. Why do we do this? Without a doubt, our democracy is under siege. The 1992 Constitution, for which so many sacrificed, is being hollowed out before our very eyes. And all well-meaning Ghanaians, irrespective of political affiliation, ethnicity, or creed, must rise to defend this. Our demands: The New Patriotic Party demand the following. Since it is now abundantly clear that the Attorney General and the machinery of justice under the administration have no intention whatsoever of protecting the public purse, the Attorney General should, as a matter of consistency and fairness, immediately discontinue and discharge all appointees of the previous MPP administration currently standing trial. It cannot be the case that the law is a weapon against one side on the political divide and a shield for the other. The Attorney General must render a full public account of every case involving persons affiliated to the governing party that has been discontinued, withdrawn, or otherwise terminated since January 2025, together with the reasons thereof. The Judicial Council and the leadership of the judiciary must take urgent steps to restore public confidence in the administration of justice, which yesterday's decision has gravely undermined. Chairman Bernard Nchibwe to me, the Ashanti Regional Chairman of the MPP, must be immediately acquitted and discharged and released. His conviction and the outrageous sentence of 20 years imprisonment with hard labor handed down barely 10 days ago were politically motivated and procured without sufficient evidence. A fact his lawyers have set out more than 20 grounds of appeal now pending before the Court of Appeal. A call to action. Massive protest ahead. Yes. Fellow Ghanaians, the time for silence is over. The New Patriotic Party hereby serves notice that on 6th of August, next week Thursday, 2026, in collaboration with other political parties, civil society, organization, professional bodies, student movement, youth movement, and all well-meaning citizens, we shall embark on massive demonstration to defend our democracy. We are starting here in Accra and we'll be going to other regions as well to defend our democracy, our constitution, and the rule of law. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen of the media, for your attention. God bless our homeland Ghana. Make our nation strong. And before, adofo media for central for Moshia. Madaroma, ene jumedie eye jumedia ehun hia ye pa. Na Samosha eniema bia ekoso awo ya tentren ni mu no ehu ye papa justice wadawro masore na no enre ye madam Sedinam Tamaklo ono ya bone kwadu so watabri Ghana sika no dia wasa ne srem wafa Ghana japade no wadwane afri krom ha ebra ne party ba ban mu pe yetimi akofa na ba na wotwe mienu ne akire kakrai court say onko free obia ofa Ghana sika 90 million Ghana cedis otimi mo obi busia no obi abusa ne se na insihu se da daso o si insihu yo ohamu nchichemu nan we de yentimi ntua ene fa sika ne breme sika na yemfa nkoma stock accounts mu ne de asini car boot no ko Yaji sika 1.8 million Ghana cedis. Yere kwa kwa yenchechere emu 1,003 Ghana cedis pe ana mami oyusu ye. Ye kwa toka ka ni nyina bo ebedu $10 million. Mami nkwa peje mu a se ka ne bo eye $14.5 million. Ono nkwa de be $4.5 million e de aka over 50 million Ghana cedis. When you na adanse wo ho when you na adanse ginam nanso yampemua ama ene Court of Appeal aye Ghana bone sonko se ene enunti no onko na when you na kakwan a NDC aban yi abai o mo fa so a omo pese omo yi omo nkofo na omo gina 10 ye ni mu no omo nkofie obeka ya sagime scandal yeru Collins Dauda ene ni mpanifo aka ne $200 million na ne was asem no ye say na omun kofie attorney general fa ne pen ne paper na de court ya makwan munya obi ankofie senate empenifo na ho no mo a omudi Ghana dwirim over 70 million Ghana cedis ene eso omun kofie senate cocoa board scandal e over 271 million Ghana cedis na ebon mu attorney general baya o si o mun kofi or the pen and paper they are court or you mun kofi Unibank issues a bem hu sika sama na ebon mu nya almost 5.7 billion Ghana cedis benefo ahodo na ewom including Governor Bank of Ghana omunya na say no mun kofi unko ya the pen and paper they are court we a case you interested be mun ko sa na said na mtamakuru de o attorney general court wanko kanse mpapa bia wo ho asem a kan na munye du o de atentin huro na court na court gina so na court ade edi court ho yawo ne say court bo yesika ho ban it is attorney general kwa na omba no wanka na asem ya court de asodie so da wo so say o sen ka bo yesika ho ban na ni say wo gina so say na charge sheet be defective embra no so che say charge sheet cry defective and asem from so bi wo so kra na yenye ne sa yenka ne sa enye se no anasa wo so di ko dabi ehwehwemu enai ehu bi aba beto eye Ghana ya tentenie so ye judiciary ehu bi aba beto so adentia ekwan ya ye fa so ye yi eye chief justice tokunu free ho no emu ohwerem na ehu tene ehu bi aba beto mo so eti asem bia ebeko bia na efa NDC ni bi ho no ye di no sonko asem bia ebeko ayefa no MPP ni ho no ye di ni sonko e wo sa tentenie de ye hwemna no so ne SOMPA nwanwa jaja onu ko ball eye Idi Amin e na asem kam se Idi Amin de wo se fa ahodie de a wo de kasa no betimi de ma na fa ahodie a wo benya wo kasa de chi no ade de ontimi fa ma na jaji odi we se hu enkomo e wo ne nkasa yemu ene jaji ama yabona baso ye ne ko high court teneni aba no untumi asemi utimi se otan bi e wo akire nipa bi no mu piapia ne ma no. Yes, you may not like one to me, but I'm running a mra. It will be a said one number of council on any concession. Now, Obia on Yakako fan say, oh, now, Ube too good, be also. Say any pano, your fan say, Ube dia dance krumu, now the tear wound to me. Wono, the Bemwako, one kaunye. No teacher inside the wound to me. Now, Obia, what time you got your 90 million? No, yes, won't go. Ni onu na nya ne krata wonam kwan personal court kra kanu so nya ne krata no yesi ngono nko da fiase 20 years na ne wafa ye 90 million no a o dwane free chrome ha a fe no abasansa na aban na aba no yesi ono nko ena Ghana ha o kasa na sa nya aban da ne aba bechewo o kasa na aban ni nyi ho ne aba bechewo na ye ka obi a wa benefit from free speech. What kind of kasabu dana kuma suo? Get President Mahama. And sembe na President Mahama kwa one can for one in your penny na nadan kwa Akufo-Addo. O se na nadan kwa Akufo-Addo kwa ye kromfo na busuanfo wie sikaba no. We na okay. And sembe na mi nuano mo NDC po manka. And sembe no man kan for judiciary ho. And sembe pa no manka edidi atem fitai. If there is any party benefiting from free speech, expressing view, so we'll cast someone it is the NDC and President Mahama. So why? Then I buy a yes, ya branch Godfred Ansu Damwa. Yakwa Kochino. Ada ya video I buy na President Mahama and National Security Coordinator na monoma. Yet is a President Mahama no can be 150 million be. Abranti say then enough from the free fan eba no yakwa koche because of that yakwa koche no the President Mahama ti senka wo ba mu and o ka che Ghana for say me ba ma ba chichi nkofo say 2% get beto bana ma President Mahama wo ba mu no and nka wo share bo say wo nam fofo me NDC fo a o mu gina court anu a atentine ye di o ma say me ba mema attorney general ayiyo mo apepa mo ho awomakwa nti ka fi se Ghana for beto abama ade no anye no campaign promise because I come here kwa say ade hu hia wo ye pa because anya ba ko nya mienu nya miensa ekeka ko be nsia na say eya wa won kofo no wabo po bi sha wo ba no wa be yomo ade na one can check Ghana for say is part of your campaign promise say wo ba won kofo a omo gina attention ye nimu no wo be gya omo mako ade baby adu mi say nya yen sore nkasa na ne me ya ne say tumi a ye de ma President Mahama no overwhelming massive endorsement and the parliament obi anya endorsement massive say bi da eno na edidia ko NDC any President Mahama His Excellency mutrim eyo mo se Ghana se aya towa ma omo sanse ni ombe ye bia no bien kasa edien chinchim.
This is SOMPA.
Na kesi den na branch ono ne NDC communicator etimi call live TV so e se fe no list wo na najiman e ko ka se former IGP okum nipa o police headquarters video no ho munya mo hu bi o se former IGP kum nipa e bonko for firing squad kum nipa e
ABOTCHIE for SOMPA 106.5 FM Suni. Today we've tried a lot to bring to you in Samoa MPP for Ekuchire Ediegu and Krataswa. Wama kenkangama nyina yetiebi. Omuze atentine ni wo hoyi. Enya dia ekoso ewo aban ebreso. Na ayesade na ntamako. Ayade a Ghana ha wabo Ghana man no krono. Ama the taxpayers money na nkasa sika no yebetimi na bibia de aboa omamu ni nyina no se sika de nyina no enya de a eho koba mfaso ma Ghana na amanya judgment ni bi akan the proceedings ewo court of appeal no eso akan ejefo batom bese mutie ni nyina bude mkoso entie SOMPA 106.5 FM enya de a ye de be kamemo na de MPP for hwehwe sesi edie womuzi aban otisi sesi ya wode MPP adehye bi mu akwakọ gina eya asem di bia no a wonyi nsem ba kwa na mienu ano no kebe ya ka womu enya womu nyina de to su mienu eya NDC officials na the then government NPP government wa brada mo abani ano so a na ye de oni akogina asem di bia NDC ba ya womu yisu nolly prosecutor attorney general amaye jari omo no sankrofo no nyina no aye attorney general embra no bebu ahu akontan emfa nkyere aye Ghana fo nyina na asamba ko a wosaka na se sesie no ayade a wo manfo no gidi a ewo wo the judiciary mu no gidi no ayera the public confidence in the judiciary. It says that ayade a ehu akwa atwe ankabaya anka judiciary no womunye na womun restore the confidence of the public in the justice system in this country. Ada de atoso nan a omohwehwe na say aye chairman wontumi e wose court no ejai no na onwunyi finfi efiase na 20 years na wo de sentence no ayade a mu owrem na wo say the atoso edubuna na say Nyami Aduma on the 6th of August 2026. I hear the new patriotic party, the political parties, more opposition. The civil society organizations, professional bodies, youth associations, one say, Omo Baba yet demonstration change. Ewo, Ghana ha. Na woman mesha sefi a year Accra. Na omu young grind yana, woman de call regions nina. A jeffo, you better one basesia, ye bar. Ye wo guess ewa ha ye no no be reverend some no baako na ya hwe se the MPP for kano anyina so wo ma na se anyina so enimo na de ekoso a peace court no so no eho amane na ye de abremo ti ye dan ho abasisi a
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa, what do bad to be a new? Se me feel London, eko US. Na no crowd who crowd from me mania. Na papa mo what to say. Awurade aduma habako. Na me ko jejesi, eko bo simpene mu de woton adansi ho niam no so wo hye ho de
oh wo hye ho akoba mesi wo bodwuma kura sre kane no a na wodru US won so manfo bondin saa na
eh papa US hakura de na no kujje si company limited age ba bia wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada eba adansi ho niam de a obia se na kujje si company limited na matese wo bi depo kasie bi e wo kasoa e ho na wo bia koto adansi ho niam na eye no kura papa
oh eye no kura pa a police station in Chenhua
eh akuo ba sempre mo no onye mereda
hwe we kura no miensa mua ene obi en foforo yawo ba ko abu akwase paase kumase ene ba ko so pokura se nkran ha obi ase na kodwogasi eye bemaba e wo dansi mu auto cement iron rods banding wires and adua plywood and just said about dance ro te se bibia e de hye adansi ase de ko wie depo no nyina so eye tufo bo wudu ka mu a wo kodwa free Akra we Kaswa Depo, any pokrasi de Anokra Tonchaya, was our boo Akoteman, Tantra Hill, Iron City, a man from was a beer depo Kasianso our Koshiman, Kumasi Sapasi de Porokra Danchaya, a Biswa Magazine Road, head office no, were beer depo Kasianso, our Dientum, a Joshua Accra Road, from a swat opposite Aladi Celia, and Papa Meboshan. Tanoso, Breman, and a man from. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93.
Nana Kujesi Company Limited.
Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesati Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no ewiye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We buta teacher SOMPA First Service. Ewo ho mahen. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And SOMPA First Service entra wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsia fa woda ni na share densa na erade beye
Hatia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese word na akese party akese se mu pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hatia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo tentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi enye ne bisa dabi Hagia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfa Hagia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hagia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 for not with them. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky. Dokunua. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more muto dokunua montin so. Eno no mutu etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuna serve wa wo ho. Wo de frey. Na ye customizing the mount. Se the wusi penny bia. Protein opese de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say obie nim say just hot kinky enwa and ye serve ya wo just bakery e wo dome commercial bank in Chenhua enti freying and wo 025 60688832 na yen customize your orders ne ma ne fa serve wo se de wusi pen pepepe just hot kinky eh hot.
munye dinam se manya foreign call. Hello papa, what about to be a new? Se me feel London, eko US. Na no kwa wo kura fra me boma mania. Na papa mo hote say. Awurade aduma haboko. Na ko jejesi, eko bo sempene mo. De woton adanse ho niam no nso. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Eko ba, mesi wo bo aduma kura sre kane no a. Na wodru US won so manfo bo ndin sa na. Papa US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited ajiba bia. Wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adanse ho niam dia. Obia se na ko jejesi company limited. Na matese wo bi depo kesie bi e wo kasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adanse ho niam. Na eye no kura papa. Oh, no kura pa. A police station in Chanhua. Akuoba sempre mono no. Onye mereda. She, we kura no me ensamua ene obi en foforo yawo. Ba ko abu akwase paase kumase. Ene ba ko so pokua se nkran ha. Obi ase na kodwogasi eye bemaba e wo dansi mu. Oton cement, iron rods, banding wires, and adua plywood and just said about dance wo. Te se bibia e de hye e dansi ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina nso eye tufo bo. Wodu kuka mu a, wodu kodwa free. Akra wuyi kaswa depo eni pokrasi de no kra to nchen a wosan wo bi wo Akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City Amanfrom wosan bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebi so magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edweso Akra road Femeso opposite Alaji Celia Ampaba Meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrom. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana Kojesi Company Limited.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was a kikwambo. Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankupon reyahon wadepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankupon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Some perfect service entwa wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye
Hatia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese word na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hatia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e friend local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Haji special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 for not with them. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more to dokono montin so. And no more to etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wa wo ho. Wo de frey. Na ye customizing the mount. Say the wusi penny bia. Protein opese ye de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and ye disable ya wahu, just bakery, and what dome, commercial bank in Chenwa, and to fraying, and was 025 60688832. Now, young customize your orders in the mount, never said what was said, they will say pen pepe. Just hot kinky,
just hot kinky,
and ye hot.
All right, SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country, exactly 21 after 4. Today we dwelled on a year press conference, MPP for a year, but I have gotten the judgment with me from the appeals court. For lack of time, I would have, gone deep into it to do an explanation of what pertained our appeals court. No, Ediama, because me kumwa. One year, me guess I have to answer from Moneno. Womo enya kasa enkantino. We de tiefoi. Me kamu se nyami aduma edwada. Die koso appeals court ni nyina no. Nsembisa womo bisa ye. Die eye prosecution eka ye. Die accused no lawyers eka ye. The judge no so eka ye ni nyina no. Be de ni nyina be bremo. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Ye de eka ye be chechem na yakomu fiko na se de be a wusu tia na otimi afamu aba. Ewia ye saka Siegfried Akwa wono ye opinion pa owo the NDC communication national team. Minemu ka say watana say ye twen eye chairman of Marewade, former third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party, and Ura Emmanuel Dako, lecturer UPSC. Na onso ababe kansa wa ha na ensamno ye rewremu. Siegfried net is saying Pacho, so microphone mama why ha touch him kwan. Siegfried bokore.
Prof ABOTCHIE nyamiadum.
Bibi I come out here.
Bibi I come.
Good. Your first time here.
The first time.
Okay, good.
High FEPA.
High FEPA.
The first time I call a radio, studio FSA me hu.
Oh sa unhu bi da. For someone to. Now, apom to saying.
Prof nyamiadum nka kan kra ye koso President Mahama.
Yeah.
Ejuma panti ama Ghana for you just that MPP for na every day omo person omo tun futuro go yeni but I see a Ghana for yeni abie enti assembly ebesi bia Ghana for try say ye be kenkan ehun ne kura wom enti nyame adom bibia ekoyi. Okay,
you better ask it. What a press conference ya ye show a day actually unity for on Facebook near SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. You can join it over there. And me patrol so do voice note bar. We share a screen so a number na daho. And that's a WhatsApp message be also the baby. We share a screen so a 0249 777779. Wo de bar ya beje na ya kenkan your message e the amount. Say a voice note so a ya be voice note no so e the amount na kai. We'll be activating the lines later on the show. Numbers to reach us on 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Let me acknowledge the proud sponsors are and a fine tosumi no one more SOSNA yede ebrewo RSYD no video studios makacho say studios are ho come pa ho faye usini a opeso utwa music video opeso utwa podcast bia opeso ye photo bia opeso utwa video bia opeso utwa me pacho ho de ye kamfo ama me ka mo ho nsam de a chiro afi Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic wo so you see that one sepa right from day one they've been with us. So wherever you are, remember the end to chronic diseases. Dr. Dubuatin's Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Minim de otimi ye. Maswahwe ana majatum. Mtim pacho se me kamfo mawa hunu se ade papa ana me kamfo e de amaw. Endpoint Dr. Dubuatin. You better wasi. Say waso yasene anyway. What ye a year MPP Nana B press conference a woma ye concerning a year Sedinam Tamaklo Jaya appeals court a jaya no. Then I can find
ABOTCHIE.
Yes.
I think that they didn't kind metie Nana B no. Messi afem.
Messi
afem because
ABOTCHIE
would him say previously no na MPP were mantra bi omo yusu maybe abeko bia omo say MPP ye intellectual party na say me no wote ga ye nim say se ka say ade ye intellectual na so obi ye intellectual assemble you don't conclude but we den u take you time na o hwehwe mu answer Ubehu say na seminity. Akwa say we papa wofie. Na obaba di America ba say Papa ABOTCHIE. Me nua Kwame abomasum. Hwe se mesin atu. Papa sorry koya no abobbo Kwame asum. Afi later on Kwame beka the reason why ni nua na pra. Na say oh Kwame be sorry. Na ye den. So as an intellectual party aye nim say MPP etie no. I expected them to do a lot. I didn't expect them say me no ka say Nana bi obejina wakenkan press conference obejina homa. I am very confident and sure say Nana bi onkenkan judgment na aba no. Nana bi has not read it. Say Nana bi akenkan sa judgment ya appeals court e dia ba ya Nana bi enjina honka de oka no. Enti I don't know what is happening in the MPP. The AC nyina I can conclude say MPP here penny a obe direct yomo. Okay, Ayawaso is it Ayawaso Central and Ayawaso East. Sa issues here by concerning vote buying the kaka immediately na NDC in Penifo no stepping in. But unfortunately on the side of other aspirants because any time emrene war between Ebia to organize new primaries any the actual data is in the mayen ebe affect yentina omum jamu say obi anya den enko and also enka ho otumu say omo a ebia omo nurturing some ambitions to contest for ebia president to replace President Mahama. Quickly Council of Elders issue statement say mu nyina mo hote ye main motive say and say ye be boa President Mahama ama na decide nti say wo peni wo fia peni no direct o ma wo take certain actions. But you tell na be also on be call demonstration say we he me say me can obi comment or say there's appeals court no ehun hia adenti na mo pese chema won't me call appeals court but you say we tell the American no enti me the MPP for the pese meka bebre but say mre ho and I say time say you by dive into the issue. I am ready to go into the issue
because I want us to get into the issues.
Yeah.
Now one more raising one. They are calling demands on Mumeki. I don't know what you make of the demands. What change some more back in no? There one more I can understand. Say no amount for GDR a war a year the judicial system no emuno. And yes I GDR no a idea and one quatry above from and judiciary no and modern na woman restore the public confidence in whatever they do. And then secondly, as some akuso woman can understand. NDC officials are now womujina mrano prior to the 2024 elections are abayin eba all those officials and appointees there attorney general issue nolly prosecutor to discontinue all those cases. Na adia omo abo or minor eka. So respond to these two and we'll look at the others.
Okay. Enti say Oshe issues are MPP for a reason. Media men person make kasa bebre. Ye be to me cross take it to Sedinam. Tamaklu.
Right.
Na Prof, unim say me aminya adajre. See, let me be fair to you. Immediately, na me wo Neat FM. And host can breaking news.
All right.
Say Oma discharge.
Sedinam.
Inti meet asem nam si ye rade.
And run upon.
Nam say I then no say a event saying court in yes and I say I then no say banisa.
Okay.
Me can be bisa wo me mu. I didn't say it outside. Inti host in bisa me say what is my take on it? Quickly. And I make a host and say, Mr. Omenkin can
judgment
into me and come
and make a comment.
Into my minyam red, I'm making kind by and say, NDC MPP. We were not fair to Sedinam.
NDC and NPP, you were not fair to
Sedinam.
Tambaklo. Why?
That is one of the conclusion I made draw fee reading the judgment. And number two, also Sedinam, no, she wasn't fair to herself. I didn't make a when him say, say nkwala 2 and I say yemfa say you university me feel say wunim university activities okay na enkofo 2 moko entokwa because ye wo ase ne say wo be free ho na waye den wako rent hostel outside campus. That is a law. Now, say menewo ena ebi ayako allege say we fought. Okay. Na omode yakọ hall master nim. Na omode yakọ hall master nim no because ebi for some reasons madwane mambabi aka wonko ane hall master. Then I conclude.
No correct.
Enti hall master conclude you say ebi music Fred wadi holeme. Uti asem no. Afi later on me ba a hall master ho na me so me be kire ma asem mu. And a hall master ka kire me say na say de wasem ye de. Enti say wasem ye de assign bra hall ni mu. That is the issue between Sedinam and Akufo-Addo Republic. Time na a friend says Sedinam issue na ba. Enti say me ka say she wasn't fair to herself. Na cause Sedinam nyabotre. No go through the process and go through the process and Kenny has here because can Sedinam has not done anything wrong. And say because we are in this in better. So what you say? Into almost no move follow constitution no because constitution is air powerful and then actually near my yenye. Into kudos to the Attorney General say one can say nipa way me party ni into no me jano amana betina Ghana without going through the process. But to me no. I believe that we were not fair. Now, of course, year before. Now, Prof, the whole issue ni na estate abra nana yaw or say mafo, or safo mafo, nana yaw or safo mafo. Ede one professor be a friend of Professor Dua Ajiman. Ede ne baye. Say President Mahama appointees ni na omunhwehwe omuniema said ye beya so obi aya de boni bia ye beden ye be kire no.
Okay.
And to at that time no Professor Dua ede ejuma no ede ma Morrison and Associate. Na sa Morrison and Associate no ka kire omo say omo nko hwehwe Ghana Gas. Enti Ghana Gas Company omo deals ni bibia omo na also omo hwehwe mu. Ena bafo awua and Associate. Omo na also omo hwehwe Maslock any other companies and as a state agencies. It is a report no omo de buy no. Ene na Emma your friend is saying MPP for this asem no e de koma Iyoko say mu investigating no further. Na ye omo a or say ye punish omo no ye be punish omo. So that is the genesis of the whole issue. But unim me assure say ukita your friend is saying ukita judgment, you know. I want us, you permit me for us to read certain things to our audience.
All right,
that's fine. Your audience.
That's fine.
Now, see, I can obi biara otie ebeka kire say, hey, and they said we were not fair to say the name Tamakru. Ombe hu say, asema America nyina no. Omo na me be ya adwene, me pacho me ba. Yembie to page 84. That is paragraph 84.
Okay.
Say uwa yenko paragraph.
Then na
yes, beba. Nti the me person me nyina ne say ye ba beka cross examinations no wasem.
All right.
Because say wo hwe prosecution omo de man omo say appropriating 500,000 Ghana cedis. While appropriating 5,000 Ghana cedis. No omo say cause auto car be about some cars be 350 cars be na sa cars na so auto no ehun sika basa. They also be a say almost say some Samsung phones be a one semi basa.
Yeah.
Enti se see any prosecutions are there emo nam so they ye madam said the name at the two no me pese ye ready some cross examinations are your friends say witnesses no their prosecution dey omo bae no ensem omo kekan ye eno na me pese ye kenkan ho because eno no be boa ye ama ye hu certain things. Enti say wo hwe 84 na pacho me ba omoma ye
all right
kakra.
Okay,
because asem way I was say ye ma Ghana for eti asem yes ye wa ha. Enti say wo hwe 84 na or say the respondent tendered a list of beneficiaries for the sensitization and monitoring programs. However, PW7 of Yoko. So PW7, you know, ono obi be bisa say why any PW7 ono ne ye frɛ no kodua baswa penyin chum.
Okay.
Oye Yoko ni.
Okay.
The staff of Yoko.
Sure.
Enti time omo fresh our staff na omo bisa ne nsem no sa nsem na me pese yehu
okay
and na me ye ba be discussing this here. Now first question no omo bisa and say during investigations you were furnished with several documents listing several towns under the sensitization program. Is that not so? Omo say nkomo ni nyina ne say omo say omo discuss bi emma said nam say onye some monitoring and
sensitization yeah.
Nti sa program no ade e mo nam so omo jeli said nam ne say wanye sa program no na say iska no omo de mo de kakra bi na de ye wo Greater Accra BA any voter region de waka no wanye eno kra no omo 20 cities sa na omo ka
and even with that money kra no na the initial sum no na
1,800,000 and something.
No, 1,700,000. Sure.
Very good. Enti question na we be saying so say during investigations because say Yoko force your investigations. Or say during investigations you were furnished with several documents listing several towns under the sensitization program. Is that not so? And prime witness 7 or say then that is so. Or say did the investigation by Yoko involved any attempt to speak to any of these persons listed in the several communities on the document furnished to Yoko? As what the man said, the sensitization program was organized for 85,300 participants with a budget of 1.7 million Ghana cedis. As part of the program, we do not have contact numbers of the so-called beneficiaries of this sensitization program. If we had, at least we might have placed a call to one of them to confirm or deny whether indeed the program was organized and they were given 20 cedis and TNT. Let's but you say what you say more kind.
Oh, Matthias said the all Canada say sensitization program no. You be saying so omo the list be man and okay say list no one should have my direct answer.
Okay.
And okay say ampa bibisa ekoso na ekoso no womo enya contract numbers judge ne be say omo timi contact you obo na also omo ntimi an contact obia anje but eho no be kra no atwema adwen na kakra because say ye call a year programs participants ebeba normally no on the attendance sheets no your name your baby free your contact and you bibia so what did the judge say?
So let's listen to what the judge Eneka said. That admission is significant. It means that Yoko never confirmed nor refuted the appellant's assertion that the Maslock program took place. It is also striking that the respondent called no Maslock regional director to give evidence and be tested in cross-examination, but instead it relied on the evidence of PW6 and PW7 based on information given to them by the regional directors. PW7 testified as follows. Or say, one question, or say, you have only concluded that there was no sensitization because you claim that the funds used for the exercise have not been accounted for. Is that not so? Or say, that is not so. No, say, what is the case then? And I'll start here. During the course of our investigations, Iyoko interviewed 3 regional directors of Maslock, and as part of the audit conducted by Bafo Ewa and Associate, they also spoke to all regional directors and they indicated that there was no sensitization program organized. Also, even though an amount of 1.7 million Ghana cedis was approved for the program, there is no evidence to suggest that the monies were used for the stated purpose. There is also no document in terms of the beneficiaries who receive the TNT if they attended the program. Now, the person me kan yina say, senior, enti wo ni we yina e na wo conclude say wo de said na makotum. Enti wa wo hwe investigation a Iyoko ye ya omo ye adwuma. na wa wo hwe lawyer and as a judge na etira as asem no so wo hwe oye ejuma say what you say. Now let's move to paragraph 94. Paragraph 94 no eno so ye cross examination of the PW1 eno no sticker but your sticker credit friend is
Steven sticker.
Yes. Na ono no ye CEO Stephen Amwa. Ono na no ye CEO of what? Maslock. Now yen start eno so yen kan kakra yen waste time because other persons so aba. Or say you testified some days ago that the issue in respect of Dwadifo Adamfo are no more relevant. Was that your testimony? As someone can say, yes, my lady. Now, Yantias will say, and I also recall your testimony was that it was not relevant because you got to know that it was used for the purpose for which it was withdrawn. Hayamedu, but you can be. Or say, and I also recall your testimony was that it was not relevant because you got to know that it was used for the purpose for which it was withdrawn. Or say, yes, my lady. Or say, how did you get to know that it was used for the purpose for which it was withdrawn? Answer, it was through inquiry. Or say, inquiry by who and to whom? Answer the man say inquiry by Bafo Ewa and associate. That led us to that conclusion. Who did you inquire from? We inquire from both within and without. Within means after speaking to some officials of Maslock and then some officials of Dwadifo, but I cannot pinpoint which one of them. We came to the conclusion that the matter had been resolved. If it had not been resolved, we would have put additional documentation. Is this testimony of yours captured in the report you tendered? Or say no, it is not captured in the report. Or say the admission by PW1 strikes at the very foundation of these charges of stealing against appellant. PW1 knew that the appellant had distributed the funds to the victims. PW says confirm as much as to him, yet that material fact found no place in the report tendered in evidence. If the funds were into the EPC actually in say as part of the process, somebody jelly man say describing man so on fan comma your friend say counter market woman and say scan and then anko part of the reasons are jelly and why na during the cross examination. Okay, can who say nti ade we no mo nam so de jelly mami 10 years na last one before abia
the last one na me pese okomu no kantaman to de ne ho hia me ba ma bu de hwehwe na me ma chairman Omarewa de Akwaba, okay. Chad National Vice Chairman of the New Patriotic Party, former Omarewa de to say
boko
biga boko
settings no na dos
settings benga
about it we
what your settings
and this way
settings ben away
con man phone kwa con man
they look at con man
connection man
omo connection man then the man yes sir
and I know atia I said the name yes we kodi aban sika yem fa madwade fo kodi sika yem fa nye yen chema nkrofo kodi wedi court ehun say yedini court ohun say wedi for there ye jan chine pe man hu say fum oso yare okọ hospital aba the sinne nani ya best after few miensan ko ne nan mu ena waba say afeli no ko say achire no so ho ma na British American by say ye ni sika nwane sa us America for so mun so sabe ensen for so
ena mo de buy
said the name one said the name one so that called to bay
prison
bay na no le ko hu say afeli no mo de ye de no o da ko ni actually dey o prison ngum ni na so afeli ati what said the name appeal case no tama no wa blutire no
2024
was it 20 said na no ni kroma no no that hospital America no and this is for say or appeal
but say ntiamra
bra no ko
and no the ntiamra
say me come ba ntiamra ntina make settings and some connection no man
my indio
so Ghana had now that so this for the and just also we be pa
judgment in the by and what can
me come back nyamutre
me tio
nyamutre afeli ekoti a yesi sika no a nke makola for kan se kantamanto ehye ne se emfa nkobo amado ama me tam dwane ko ye party ni wedding no o see maame no wanye bone sika no di ani na yesi nearly 90 million 990 million yesi we on fele you know na busu afo nko po spelele na dum dey yo omo yes we pe attorney general say oh you be file you be appeal one this okay and I oti ya one
I said they appeal the decision of the appeal
concept settings in kwan attorney general say obe appeal and ne MC4 ka say ruling na ba ye no ne kwan so no so now ye dede no almost be appeal and then I want to be to just say ruling na ba ye no ne kwan so no enti appeal no appeal from no channel
matesa NDC for be ka say I hear the AG rushed in making those comments without recourse to the judgment itself. Now, I'm for Bebre, and ya copies of the judgment from the appeals court. And the course will hold you down. Wouldn't him say, sir,
the age, you are telling me, say, Alice is for crowd.
Maybe. Wouldn't him say, sir, would the chrono at Thomas one? Who and I also prove beyond reasonable doubt, say, Mabo chrono. And the judges at the appeals court are of the view that at some point in time in the high court, the burden of proof was shifted to the accused. I don't know if you have cited all those documents.
You see, or this guy come out be withdraw. Say Maslock at the Bonabusia. One deny. Nimum. Or this is kind of man, lepeni we no nko dia no this is kind of me amount no bet your interest to say
SOMPA
and papa this is David interest no do was physical mame papa no trust check was me check koi sikano na fagu Ghana must go mu ni fa share mo bachona filling station o maso no ja o de ko sia no oji no papa say o smart o say me dey man o say han and san high o san here and the people got two baby
okay a year 500,000 Ghana cedis
yes.
You know what
and the people got two the kana ko tran home we sika ba ni say na mundi no ye kan si anim no mkofa auditors no be auditing and no more in my son name when you PP say sika we or the far sika we or the this other man sabenkum na le benkum didn't faji ye na go to court and na NDC for say omo so mekum oye ora no okay omo ora no operation recover all loot no ma me we dey won fade dey ni free.
Let me walk you through this. I believe sir about discussion.
There be can person who tear me the anyway.
All right. Okay.
The same friends and Attorney General kan and the end this work. Oh who's like who's connection?
Connection men.
Attorney General some then cost high the cost and also about appeal.
And Uria, take a lesson. And Nyabotre. I want you. What was this issue? No, me person be cheche muye. Na me bisa wasem. And someone a course or court. No, court ni bisa about ASR case ya ukan wasem. Na asama obisa and say. What was the case about? Said in Tamaklo. a former CEO of Maxlock and Daniel Axim, is operations manager, blah, 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 blah. Obantapa Microfinance, deliver a 500,000 cedis cash refund directly to Sedinam. Again, what's some now?
Yeah.
Which she dishonestly appropriated. Dear, now Canada say, I just Sedinam, any Daniel Azim, and misappropriating money released or misappropriating that a yes cano. But maybe let me walk you through what the court said on those particular issue. Nanka yehu aye said ye enkomono ebesifa akọ. Because ye cheche musa me did be say etie for ebete asiye pa with that money 500,000 a ye kan ho asem.
ABOTCHIE Prof.
Yes.
So would dim now this I attempt to say would defend the Tamaklu.
Debbie Debbie echo so I walk court no. Okay, Maminja Maminu. Debbie. Me phone the credit doom. Me phone the credit doom. Yes.
Prof would him say or listeners, you know, or so almost the actual thing from you because they are listening to you. You see, I won't referee, no. Until referee, let us know what happened at the court before I answer you about discuss it. Until me koka the NHS say and the court. My you the court.
Na onim pass obedi be. Onim pass bibia be ko yi. Nka be den no adwane free Ghana as we wakosa na ho yade. No twan ama ni sifo ba ansa na oba.
And the mami chiro said the union account. I'll see the prosecution him. What did the court decide about the 500,000 Obantapa refund? The prosecution case was that Obatampa returned 500 cedis, 1,000 cedis in cash directly to Sedinam, and that she acknowledged receiving it in a letter. Uti, the court the court found serious evidential problems. The original acknowledgement letter was not produced in court. And Unim said the burden of proof always lies on the accused. Omo intimi produce original acknowledgement letter no ewo court no. The document tendered was a copy obtained from Obatampa. No corresponding Maslow copy was produced, even though the reference number on the letter suggested Maslow should have retained one. Maslow officials who testified had not seen an original Maslow copy against which the document was compared. The chairman of Obatampa also claimed that he had exchanged WhatsApp messages with Sedinam concerning the refund. Those messages were not produced. Moreover, after the alleged cash refund, Sedinam continued signing letters demanding interest from Obatampa on the 500,000 investment. The court considered that conduct difficult to reconcile with the claim that she had already received the money. Sir, Ude Waka say, Mudi Sikano Ediama Sedinam Tamakloa, what they enkrata Ediama say Ampa Ninsa Aka Sikano. What was up when she mono? Enkrata na omo letter no. Sa enkrata no copy no na ebi Maslow for NB. Na Yomukonya ye no. Omunya free, the chairman of Obantampa, a friend is saying, investment fund, no, Omo no Mukunya ye. The court in the can say, Nabutrame, but Mamincho, the court in the can. The court held that the prosecution had not proved beyond reasonable doubt that Sedinam received 500,000. Without proof of receipt, dishonest appropriation could not be established. The conviction and sentencing relating to that money were therefore set aside. That was what the appeals court said. Judge said. Today now I can't find.
papa no so or this can be share no your friend is saying one farm map go back also transfer can crack to your friend saying Maslock account to direct no see there be first calendar what papa no so mama your pes care dey and no call to this kind of man we no say mama receipt no try receipt man mama pes care dey no so go file officer I person the officer was come make to APS can go account him. Now the judges are telling you and I say because mama no egba receipt ma papa na on one call can say Maslow for say sika na pan dia ba oni nti mama ni physically
but I say papa mu maybe chairman no so ka bibi say one a year said nam tamaklo wo mu e wo WhatsApp messages ebetimi akire eye transaction yi nyina na court say and the onfa WhatsApp messages in mra wentimi anfa messages so
na onum de enwonwo
den enwonwo
me kan sembe abaya dwuma bank ben ana obekọ na won throw paper say me application for loan ni ebe page sika e de amount say papa je no who this can go fie wi and be bisa say interest no is can the man interest no yes sir
Ejubaja tum say Obatampa microfinance.
SOMPA
Papa nankasa no obeja di say ono so yemfom so.
Dabi so mu chat here. Omu communicate here. And la show no trace no evidence. Ye pet trick ayeti. Oh, we bet me am be okay. And me mama transfer amount. And omu transfer ko. And the scam there man no obet 20% interest every month. Oh, no 20% and business when I'm there. Papa biska breme. Okay, let me transfer mam me be go account. Efangu Maslow account. Abena na si his cano cash fe go gara must go. Fa share mo bacho na. O di free adwira hu no brand bacho na.
Na uze ebe nwanwa pa se.
Le papa mu a
me ba. Ebe nwanwa pa se. Sabi ni wo hui. Na upe busia. Na me mama obusia ni bi, sika ni bi. You have 500,000 with the amount. This is kind of 5 billion. Na skana wode amame no. Na me owa na masatro letter say me pay interest on that money.
Enyenwa.
I don't know court to say or reconciling the two positions
now. See no akoye wuntu me principle ni bi wo. Koto dia na bodwe. Yanya bakono baba bakono ede. Ozo ni pamra. Adentina won't be. The born kwadu. Say na sasi a what document was say or no your friend saying oh na on ye license to operate and also be to gold no. Wama obi a coin ama no to gold no. Where nya hu fa so nipa crowd ko to gold no na kan wuntumi yama na sasi no kan lo ko to. Ono akoma obi permit
ama
sikari wa fani na etikoda jail 20 years
unim say
I am very principled.
There be in some no I hear me now because my boy was 500,000 wo dey akwa ko edwuma ena wo say 500,000 there o return yakoma max log and to return is cano wo dis cano physical cash ena ekoma maame no what if fiscal cash no come mama no obi a wa return iska ebe den ana mama na sabe bisa say ska no enya maye mama interest
SOMPA FM
we settings
the bill me ba ti unim da this ska mama papa no obatampa no na nim ta da data ne wo letter ne so do the buy no and at the year coach you catch on let's say my menu after receiving the money sign request interest no date be sometimes Mrs. settings no one share ya it be beat you
my phone is running low
yeah be beat you
o de mama ntie menu
Mrs. one share ya yeah the be beat you
Zefred, let me take a lesson to you on this one
Prof
yes
Prof when him say chairman I can kind judgment no onim say step MPP take here no enye but chairman on pese obeyi na niama ne party enti no defend it. Chairman knows very well say asemi ye kan said nam edibem. Wonim say wo see obi awie ska. Ene nti wo de nipa ko no e kokota. So wo say wo tumi prove. Ba cho de me kan no me ya adwene. Wontumi mfa asem ento me so. Abra wo de asem na to me so no. Okokota wo say uni evidence biya. Na court of appeal so ebisa no to the extent that I say me said nam cry chatty. When ne chatty evidence when ya went to me anye de amfa evidence number. Now what happened? Omo kwahye asem na we meboa. Enso unim say asem we anko appeals court we so can one of the reasons why omo de jelly said nam tamaklu.
No correct.
So meaning that jelly tamaklu no we were not fair. I still stand on my basic conversation say we were not fair to the woman. Now unim the thought should be my air safe him any part almost say oh said the name no and then the deputy before Mubabe hand you over no almost chro a friend is saying almost sign a bibi discam or more and also enam so emo they said the name equal to prison. I didn't know we to prison so said the name we for or Babe hand you over as CEO no or no sign a letter and or no said the name and then the deputy no ediska eh then emo I think say omobo amount or no fire around something. I've forgotten the amount. Or no fire amount. No the deputy there by. Enti appeals court in every witness. Your friend no. Witness no cry PW5. Omo friends PW5 say ena ensem na koso. Enti beyi ensema no. Ena no buy. Now when him say sa PW5 no ye director of finance. Or Maslock. Now, first question on Mubisa and say you tendered exhibit A, D, A, C, and AB, which relate to the payment of end of leave and ex gratia to A1 and her former deputy. Is that correct? Mubisa asked a question. As some kind said that is correct. Question number 2: the payments were processed by your office. Is that correct? As someone can say very correct. The author CBM or say the processing was based on documents relating to the appointment of A1 and her former deputy. Is that correct? Or say very correct? In processing for this payment, did you notice anything untoward? Or say no, I did not notice anything untoward. Meaning the person just say why who be bia from so bia or say you put your signature under this payment because you did not find anything wrong with this payment. Is that correct? Or say I authorized those payments because I did not find anything wrong with the document. See the way witness now a friend saying Republic ne de buy you gracia no dey be man a deputy enu ntia de ne ko jail yes sticker de no PW2 IFN sticker one of the basis on the jail said the name say the name akoto vehicles 350 vehicles e dey ama your friend say Maslow na saa time no ka che say scan 10 cedis said the name akobo 50 cedis enti as a result of that we are ska. Now when him says we can carry report now we are back in kind. Okay, can report now. The interesting part is that sticker admitted say no buy no obey renegotiation of the deal and a contractor omodema a company and a ton cars no. Into all yes I renegotiation we answer no mutu yaka.
Very well.
And when him obi otu asaka no.
I just think I'm gonna mutu asaka no.
Under Kennedy Ken Oforiata. Sure. Ken Oforiata na 8 years eska no. Irade minyanka ba kotu esu apase de nam chew. Wo de me akotu prison o say me di eska me de talk. Me was eska nya me na me.
Mama hwe
your friend is saying eja eto kantaman.
Sure.
Na President Mahama eka say monfa eska we na mon compensate victims for no. Omo a eja hye omo niema. Enti sa ade no Maslock eye no true dwadefo adamfo savings and loan company limited
dwadefo adamfo
yes sa company no money omo yade na wunim omo ka che say the name is scanner nkoso ode mo no wan fa mo na omo 1,300 was saying
Sure.
Bibisa. But now scan so now it was I think 1 million something. Yes. But one more scan. As a result of that, almost they said the name then etu. But on say Timbia Meka say court nyankopon in the wisdom of omo framing constitution no. Omo ya de say would you be court and would you be prison obetumi appeal. Sanka appeals court ni wa anka said the name abregu.
Okay, yenhwe
time I know mu bisa me dey ho na me do because cross examination no no witness. Omo bisa and say first question omo bisa say you testified some days ago that the issues in respect of Jadefo Adamfo are no more relevant. Was that your testimony? Would mo be annoyed sa testimony?
Why?
See you sticker. Or say you testified some days ago that the issue in respect of Jadefo Adamfo are no more relevant. Was that your testimony? Sticker say yes, my lady. And sticker jia to say any relevant be as asem put the
who here?
Obisan BM say, and I also recall your testimony was that it was not relevant because you got to know that it was used for the purpose for which it was withdrawn. And as the kaka said, yes, my lady.
Nyabutre.
Or say, yes, my lady. Almost say, oh, sticker. Na say scanner and consume the makantaman to phone. What G2 man now testify say, a scanner. Omo de ye ana de ma kantamanto na na stika say yes ye de mo na say wo di scam ma kantamanto fo a aden e na wo koso ejeli said nam say e scam ko so de ma kantamanto fo wa fa mo
mami na say
oh den tell me ka say NDC for no omo any Ghana for endini and I just said something I hear we are fache me but who krum now that so the NDC for dia. Now problem won't have a problem. And I'll tell you why.
What's it? Oh yeah, then.
Oh, Krumha. That's all that's so the NDC for a dear. When you believe them, won't have a problem. Because I think Sabia say, when you are into me,
because
so now can you
Mario overpass mama me say be pray you kwase dua
ye do baako ye do mienu ye do miensa now that's what the chire defend bra sister
na say one kasa no utie sticker cross examinations wo mo ye
you dey feel appeal court high court dey be asem no appeal court udum dey require appeal court. Self-evident conferring witnesses. Appeal court to bear what to be that. Appeal court. Based on the evidence that was submitted at the first high court. No?
So you want to say that wait. You want to say that in the appellate court, no?
Witnesses.
Me patro. Yenye cross examination.
Yenye. For lawyer biya.
Oh sure.
For lawyer biya.
Koso.
Based on the data, the information that have been, I feel like I only knew even court to crowd, yes, your programming case. No, me, I'm not, my can't say, and you me the say day, my your time away to prison. Me, if I saw me also. Me there. But dear, no, 18 ama yetimika beach say sanity dear. Say obiti me for 90 million. No dear. Yet me uniform say ya mfa kwampa so the jail there. Then what are you in court for with to me? What are you in court for with a friend say omo asese romu? I might be a friend say a court a friend say bill conditions are where them. You knew what some no over them. The children were 24 hours that's no now catch a cofa a dying and so sad. Me say emphasobia ni suma me say my record them. But the settings, you know, the perception, the impression you guys are creating. Any the more at current attention and oshanda
My Shanada.
Kata say, ya yen settings, and chair umbe the deputy number show.
Dr. Strimsai.
Me say,
there was a man how can I
me say, Kata say, and chair settings no my plan no my fan strategies no, and chair umbe replacing with your friend say, Strimsai.
All right, so I asked the question, can Ghana's appeals court witness, it is the exception, not the norm, tightly controlled. Ghana's Court of Appeal deals mainly with the trial record. It doesn't retry cases by calling and cross-examining witnesses as a matter of course. However, it does have statutory power to do so in limited circumstances. What must some circumstances be? Or say, Nyabotre, what must some circumstances? The legal basis, on the grounds, or see new matters arising after trial.
New
matters arising after trial. Evidence about things that happen after the date of judgment trial can be admitted more freely, since it isn't a case of party sitting on evidence. Everything else, also on special grounds, where the appeal is from a judgment after a full trial hearing on the merits. Further evidence relating to the matters that existed before the trial is admitted only on special grounds, and also what they are maying.
So I told you this is a special case. Enkusiaga. I told you that's all the back appeal. Ekokura say na mo kan ya. Ebeka say judge. So you see CJ Chief Justice. No let Tokonu.
CJ.
So you see CJ Tokonu ye ready. O say ho. I don't know peliwa. O say ho. O position here kwa kokodi assembly bra. Ye ka sa chire wi a assembly da benkum kura beko twira konifa. And it is not like judges are superhuman beings. Judges are so above so omunja so above. They are all Ghanaians zeminumi. Now they are father say wo Professor ABOTCHIE and you can choose between your job and do what we are asking you to do. What will you do? And now no say Kufuado. Judge be ruling I say Kufuado. And what control ruling no? Judge be ruling I say go dey free gabi ho. Judge be na that the end must say free for. Now me tisa ko be say no the judgment we pardon me be free. Now them me tell some we na ko kire no. O say judge na bi o tell bi a o wa ya adwen kakra o. Me say your friends say yeah no current Bank of Ghana governor no jina court ya kana say bawia ya ba ya say knowledge there by
prosecutor
the judge free and there some man position say san ko Ghana nyina sika so. And now no current at finance minister no so ejira jelo ko kra ambulance bi ba hu sika so kai ambulance no ambulance no way jam mi samo omu yusu efa omu na koto yo da sisi yo ana omo don komi.
Okay, so
aye no ko
Nyabotre
na bisa sagra bedan no omu say omu ja Collins Dada ho no akufu adu ni pa bone oja dan no aguru mu ho mu ba enfie mienu ni o sagra medan ho adati ho se kan bra en kan se kan on high dan biem en kan e bu na kotra kra en kan full soldiers on be on badwo
meba
anya no ko
meba na me hwehwe reason why appeal court or say judgment sana wo mutena asem no so no woman and recall it and I say woman re-examine obia. Instead no they went back through the existing trial record, including that cross-examination testimony, and concluded. The court ruled that
Professor ABOTCHIE makatros uji ndisi fodia adamu haya na makatros the cross-examination now omo keka say say ndisi for to gumu no and sisi akra sisi wa prove you obi tifi odi matem banya wa me say no have problem no wa odi matem no almost settle up who expose so ma na omo di atem this thing me say Attorney General catch it say yeah the beko your friends say or
Supreme Court.
We dey see at Kroma see here yet Kroma
Are there all judges netiwana?
na dey we omo me catch us since we am ko hwe mu no bibia da ne kwa mu judge no a rule ye no appeal no correct that's all am catch no we are catch us me the Supreme Court compare there na ba see we say tamakla akakutu said nam and come madam Greka Jimmy
Yeah, Brenner.
The Miami, Democrat me, the American.
Yeah, Brenner. Mami Fako. Baby, Mami Fako. Time no ko.
I tell from here. Callers will come and job.
Okay, I'll say so. My man closing remarks. Short one.
Right. Yeah.
Man come closing remarks.
My closing remarks.
Okay. Inti kakra question. I me one number 2. First one is say, yada me say. Sir judges me and say I'm watching a case so 2 of them MPP time no more appoint you sanka koye NDC and propaganda and my number 2 question is say
judge Ben
appoint you the 2 said the name so no obetumi approve yana
mama na say hello, good evening.
Hello,
good evening pacho me pacho nyabotre so me hoye enna de ncha bi animo nti yenko
matemedi mrano so pepe na de mania bre papa kanta man mo ana mo pata ho ye pro jeri apatam pata kan obi obeka de nza ka bia oboa opa ye do be ko de tia ko bi tampani foro pani ni kura no hwe okura ye yinadi ye fani jeri na ba jo wo question bia kana me ngoma nim
there be as enu nko na abeka bia and me no we
dabi mi nye so wo bi tam question di me no wo bi tam
enti no kanta man to ho no obiansa nkesika bia
mother, the attorney said, yes, me, dear mother, at this canoe. And she let that on passport, I choose the birth certificate. I also said, no, I'm not for you or 2. Everything as I told you before. Mother, take about to make now 8 years. But before, you have to do 24. It's just the passport.
Mami, me da say hello. Yes, why?
So you again for one buy up the whole war. So amount 20 million. Who kata? Abotchie, this is that can be other there. That can before that. Here, your chairman, Joseph, a secretary chairman. Secretary of SARFO, chairman. I'm going to call demonstration. You're warm. I'm going to sorry, sit again.
Yeah. Hello. All right. Wait to be man so. Odebi ebe ko sisi ya ma bi fa ko we ebe ko sisi ya. Emi humbu. Hello. Yeah, but go on a minute, Cassie. Oh,